Interested in a career in technology? Then you have to visit UAT's Discovery Expo, where we help you explore your future career in technology. University of Advancing Technology is a more hands-on, intimate way of learning, where we are focused on educating students in advancing technology who desire to innovate for our future. Join us for an open house tour that offers prospective students the opportunity to explore deep inside the UAT network of relationships and resources, and get a taste of what it's like to be a part of the UAT family. Discover what it means to have real tech respect as we showcase all of the different degrees that we offer, from cybersecurity, game studies, software engineering, business and innovation, digital arts, and more. While you're there, you can grab lunch at our on-campus cafe, you can sit in on classes, speak to the professors, and don't forget to tour our on-campus dorms, where you can even stay overnight. For more information on when the next Discovery Expo is, visit uat.edu/mo.